Hello everyone, Francis Pan here, nutritional consultant, advanced energy medicine practitioner, board certified, body coach. Today we're going to talk to you about we're told in our early ages that to have wealth, to have money, you have to work very hard. Well, quantum guys say take the opposite way. He say, well, hard work is good, but that's only hard work. And they think that instead of working harder to get money, hard work is a little bit smarter. If hard work were really about getting all the wealth, like people are cracking stone have a lot of money, or loading cars in the parks will have a lot of money. But that's not the case. So bear with me, guys, that there is more to getting financial abundance than simple hard work. We talk about working smartly. And in our oncoming abundance program that comes on 28th of February this year, 2026, we're going to be teaching you advanced techniques on how to create the abundance you want for yourself. I mean, actually financial abundance. In fact, we have advanced energy medicine tools like EFT, Alpha, even our transformational breathing exercises that will actually go right deep down to you and unlock that potential to get in the kind of world, create the kind of world that you want for yourself. Remember, friends, that all the world you are looking for, all the finance you're looking for is right inside of you. You only need to know how to go right into the inside with the mental clarity, with the emotional abundance, and unlock these potentials so they can start manifesting on your outside. And that will call financial abundance. So book your slot now, guys, and learn all the things that you need in order to get the state of financial abundance you have dreamed of. Thank you. God bless you.